MTD Network have dropped in to see Ben from ProSpeed Precision, if I could say that, Ramsgate, and your latest acquisition, the Haas VF4ss and the VF4ss. Is that right?
That's correct.
Now, give me a bit of background, first of all, about the company, though, Ben.
So ProSpeed Precision is two brothers, combined experience of 36 years in the engineering trade. Myself, tool making, mould making, jigs, fixtures, you name it, I've done it. My brother in the Air Force, many years experience on the latest military aircraft. So
Straight away, a lot of aerospace experience, so some real high-end stuff there.
yeah, that's right, yeah.
So in terms of what sort of business, what sort of work, or what materials you're going to be looking for?
So materials, any materials catered for really. Our bread and butter stuff is mould steels, aluminium, stainless. Yeah. We can do exotics as well. So yeah, anything goes really. Plastics as well.
Okay. And in terms of numbers or quantities, you're looking one-offs, hundreds?
Anything from one-offs, bespokes, reverse engineering, up to small batch production. So we're not catering for the mass markets because we're not set up for it. But
so really adding some value where you can.
Yeah, where we can, that's it, yeah.
Because that's what you're saying earlier in terms of, yeah, you've got a fantastic machine and we'll come to that in a minute, but giving customer service.
Yeah, customer service is where we try to excel. We don't like to hide behind emails and things. We like to be honest with our customers. If we're going to deliver, we like to deliver on time and not take on a job if we know it's going to be late from the outset.
Okay, so just honesty and integrity all the way.
Absolutely, yeah.
Now, this machine background's winking at me, all the lights have just gone off there. The VF4ss, I keep getting it wrong. Fantastic machine, but it's not just a basic model. Tell me about what you got on it.
So this is the latest VF4ss that Haas have done as a 30-station tool changer, servo-driven, 12,000 RPM spindle, 1200 by 500 by 635 work axis.
You've been checking all the specifications.
Yeah. So we've got through spindle coolant, through spindle air blasts, external air blasts. So coolant in all directions, all over the place. Fast rapids, fast feed rates, high-speed machining modules as well. So yeah, it's kitted out for doing a lot of stuff.
A real beast of a machine. So what sort of things are you looking to do?
Anything from one-offs, reverse engineering we're good at. We can offer that with our CAD system as well, and CAM as well. Mould making, just any sort of machining that anyone needs doing really. Spare parts for cars, motorbikes, anything like that.
So any challenge really?
Any challenge, yeah, we're up for the challenge, yeah.
And I also want to drop in the fact that this was not delivered per se, but someone had involvement with this machine?
Yeah, so when the British Grand Prix was on this year, Gene Haas was coming to the UK. So Haas UK needed stock out of their showrooms. So they kind of sold off a few machines a bit cheap, which is it helped us. So yeah.
Excellent. So Gene Haas, thank you very much for getting involved in the delivery. I'm sure he's got lots of things to do.
Yeah, he's So he kind of they wanted them out before the Grand Prix was on. So yeah, the week before the Grand Prix was on in this country, the machine came out to us. So.
Excellent. So basically, from from near Banbury, actually,
Banbury, yeah. Banbury, yeah.
Down to Ramsgate. So essentially, quick summary: ProSpeed, please, Ben.
So ProSpeed is a subcontract CNC machining company based in Ramsgate, and we specialise in jigs, fixtures, small batch production. Yeah.
That's it. So any challenge and customer service is key to you guys.
Customer service is what we try to pride ourselves upon.
Ben, thank you very much.